Hazrat Mujahid, in the interpretation of the verse Fima Aradtum, has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, a man should say, I wish to marry. I desire that I may get some righteous woman. Qasim bin Muhammad says that he should say, you are kind to me and I like you, and undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is about to do something good to you, or say the words of the same effect. Atta says he should give hint and not say directly. For instance, he should say, I need a woman, or congratulations to you. Soon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will convey some good to you. Similarly, the woman should give similar remarks. I have heard you, but must not promise in clear words. In the same way, her guardian must not promise anyone of her marriage without telling her. If someone promised some man even during the prescribed waiting period and then married him, they would not be separated. Hazrat Hasan Basri says, La tawa'iduhunna sirra means adultery, and it is reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that al-kitabul ajalahu means the completion of the prescribed waiting period. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5124.